Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can print your boards and presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this, guys. So let me access this mind map here for demonstration purposes. So the least complicated way to print a board is probably saving it in PDF file format first and to print it from there. So what you want to do is click into these three dots here with your open board here, and hover your mouse over a board and then hover your mouse over export. From there, select save as PDF. Choose your file size in the top left corner and confirm by clicking into export. Wait for the exporting to be finished, and after that, open your board in PDF file format. And here, guys, from your PDF reader, be it Adobe, for example, you may simply print it by clicking into this button. Make sure that that your printer is connected to your device, and after that go through a short setup. For example, select the given printer, the amount of copies, then you may select, for example, the pages you would like to print, the current or selected pages of your presentation, select the page sizing, the handling, the orientation like portrait or landscape, and so on and so forth. You may even use grayscale or black and white colors if you don't want to use these colors, and confirm by clicking to print here, and that is going to print your presentation or board, guys. Now I'm not going to do this because I don't want to print it, but that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.